Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You need the basics now. Make sure your Chromebook supports Android apps or Linux, and enable Play Store if required. Install a trusted remote mouse app on your phone and the matching Chrome extension or Linux companion on the Chromebook. Once installed, open the app on both devices and choose Wi-Fi or Bluetooth pairing. Wi-Fi generally gives lower latency. Follow on-screen pairing codes to link them, and keep both devices on the same network while we move to configuration. Now configure input and permissions so the Chromebook accepts your phone as a pointer. Open the extension or server app and grant input, accessibility, and network rights. Choose a pointer mode, touchpad for precision, gyroscope for air mouse, and then adjust sensitivity, acceleration, and two-finger scroll behavior to match your preference. Make sure connection type is correct, confirm the IP or pairing code, and run a quick test, clicking icons and dragging windows to verify responsiveness before finalizing. Finish by setting the phone app to run in the background or start on boot so you don't repeat pairing. Adjust battery and performance. Disable battery saver or keep the phone plugged in during long work sessions to avoid disconnects. If you encounter lag or lost input, restart both apps, repair Bluetooth, or switch to Wi-Fi. Also check for firewall or Linux server permissions blocking the connection. In most cases, reinitializing the server and reconnecting solves the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.